part 44 of chapter 3. Again, the Parwana requested Jalal himself to instruct him and give him counsel. After a little reflection, Jalal said, "I've heard that thou hast committed the Quran to memory. Is it so?" "I have." "I have heard that thou hast studied under a great teacher, the Jami'u Usul, that might work on the elements of jurisprudence. Is it so?" "It is." The collection of the, well, I forget exactly what usul means. Analysis of the jurisprudence, right? Then answered Jalal, "Thou knowest the word of God, and thou knowest all the words and acts reported of his apostle, but thou settest them at naught, and attest not up to the precepts. How then canst thou expect that words of mine will profit thee?" The Parwana was abashed and burst into tears. He went his way, but from that day he began to execute justice, so as to become a rival of the great Khosrows. He made himself the phoenix of the age, and Jalal accepted him as a disciple. And that's how we should approach all the conservative stuff. If we can't look to the revelation and inspiration, what are we to take of others' expressions and understandings? Now, if we turn to that, if we turn to the basics, the fundamentals, then we can pick whatever of the extras that we want, really.